So the question is, which one of the following ions exhibits DD transition and paramagnetism as well? So the options are, first, CrO4 2 negative. It has an oxidation state of +6 and it has no unpaired electrons in the d orbital, so it is a diamagnetic in nature. Now let's check MnO4. MnO4 has +7 oxidation state and is also does not have any unpaired electrons in the d orbital, so it is also a diamagnetic in nature. Now let's check Cr2O7. It also has an oxidation state of +6 and it also does not have any unpaired electrons in the d orbital, and it is also as diamagnetic in nature. Now in the last, let's check MnO4 2 negative. It has an oxidation state of +6 from the electronic configuration, and it also has one unpaired electron in the d orbital. Thus, it is a paramagnetic in nature. So MnO2 minus MnO4 2 negative is the answer.